This graphology tutorial is brought to you by Grapholistic International, your handwritings and characters analyst. Identifying handwriting traits that signify employees underperforming in a job can help employers and managers recognize the limitations of their employees and then take necessary actions to improve their performance. In this short tutorial, we will identify the indicators that employees are underperforming in their jobs, and then identify the handwriting traits that signifies these characteristics of underperformance. Here are some useful information on this subject. The first step in identifying handwriting traits that signify underperformance is to understand the basics of handwriting analysis. Handwriting analysis is a scientific method of interpreting an individual's personality traits, emotions, and behavior based on their handwriting. There are several factors that handwriting analysts consider, including letter shape, size, spacing, slant, pressure, and rhythm. Underperforming employees often display certain characteristics in their handwriting. For example, they may have irregular spacing between words and letters, inconsistent letter size, and uneven slant. They may also use excessive pressure or have an erratic rhythm in their writing. These characteristics can indicate a lack of focus, disorganization, and low motivation. Another handwriting trait that can indicate underperformance is low confidence. Employees who lack confidence may have small, cramped handwriting, and they may use light pressure when writing. They may also have a tendency to cross out and erase frequently, indicating indecision and a lack of self-assurance. Stress and anxiety can also affect an employee's handwriting. Signs of stress and anxiety may include shaky, uneven writing, and inconsistent slant. Employees may also use excessive pressure, indicating tension and nervousness. It's important to note that handwriting analysis should be viewed in context. Handwriting traits alone cannot determine an employee's performance. It's important to consider other factors, such as job duties, personal circumstances, and past performance. Handwriting analysis can be a useful tool for employers and managers to identify potential issues with employee performance. It can also be used to assess job candidates during the hiring process. However, it's important to use handwriting analysis ethically and with caution. Handwriting analysis should not be the sole basis for employment decisions, and it should always be used in conjunction with other assessment methods. By understanding handwriting traits that signify underperformance, employers and managers can take proactive steps to address these issues and improve employee performance. To become proficient in studying handwritings of your employees, it's recommended to attend training sessions and workshops or read books and articles on the subject. Grapholistic International also provides handwriting analysis of employee and job applicants to reduce your burden in making decisions related to employees' performances and recruitment. To watch more videos related to handwriting analysis and managing your employees' personality like in this tutorial, subscribe to our channel or visit our website, grapholistic.com. Remember to like this video and share your experiences with us at the comments section. Thank you for watching.